Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an instant rasam recipe that can be prepared in 5 minutes. It will be very spicy and tasty. So let's jump on to the recipe. For that, in a mixer jar, I have taken amla size tamarind, tomato, 1 full tomato I have taken. If the tomato is too small, you can take 2 tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add garlic with skin, 10 pods. Cumin, 1 spoon. Peppercorns, 1 spoon. Curry leaves, 1 sprig. Coriander leaves, 1 strand. Now here I am going to add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and now finally I am going to add the salt that is required for the rasam. After adding all these ingredients, I am going to just grind it into a smooth paste without any particles left over. After grinding it, if you see, the rasam paste is coarse and grinded well. To make it more smoother, I am going to add some water that is required. That is exactly 1 glass of water, and I am going to make it into a smooth paste without any coarse particles. And now if you see, our instant rasam mix is ready. Now we are going to just keep this aside and start the seasoning for the rasam. So now in a kadai, I am adding 1 spoon of oil. Let the oil get hot. To that I am adding 1/2 spoon of mustard. The mustard should splutter well. After spluttering, I am going to add 1 pinch of fenugreek seeds. Asafoetida, let it be a powder one or a gum asafoetida, 1 small piece. Red chilies, 1. Saute it until the flavors comes out. And finally, I am going to add the curry leaves of 1 sprig. Adding curry leaves to the rasam mixture also helps in the rasam to enhance the flavor and its taste. Now if you see, I am adding here the rasam paste that we have grinded and kept. To adjust the consistency as per the rasam, I am going to add 1 glasses to 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses of water will be correct for this rasam recipe. So now, no wonder when to switch off the rasam. Many people are having many doubts regarding that. For that, when you see almost the side bubble starts to boil, you have to just sprinkle some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Here we go, our instant rasam is ready. Please do try this recipe at home and convey your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut and press the bell icon for future videos. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thank you.